Hey, this is Joe Martin, the VP of Marketing over here at Scorpion, and I want to take you through this post we put together on Google My Business Reviews. We all know Google, we've all seen the reviews. It's basically those star ratings you see next to businesses or your own business when people are searching for you or when you're searching for other companies. So Google reviews are pretty important in that they will help your company stand out. They'll also be validating called social proof of how people see your business. So you want to put a lot of effort in there in both having a profile that people can review and responding to your reviews, and then also making sure you have a good response for positive and negative reviews. This guide will take you through a whole bunch of tips and tricks on how to get started with Google My Business Reviews, how to respond to people, and how to use them to get good leads for your local business. We hope that if you have any other questions, you'll reach out to us here at Scorpion. We are always looking to help small businesses grow and would love to help you get set up with Google My Business Reviews. Thanks.